Okay, here we go. I'm doing this on the GoPro here. What we have is a Saturn Vue 2003 with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive. We have a problem with the crankshaft position sensor. Symptoms were essentially it would stall or would not start when it was running. We're going to do a quick change of the sensor. Got a new one here, and we're going to put it in. If you're doing work like this, those of us who are not well get a lot more. If you get to do something like this, I recommend that you get a code scanner. I have one here. I've already used it, and show you the codes that came up on this. Okay, the DTC codes for this are B0338, crankshaft position sensor A, circuit I input. See it on my scanner. Then there's a second. P0335, crankshaft position sensor A, circuit malfunction. So there's a couple of things that could cause that, including shorted wires, bad circuits, and all kinds of stuff. But the most common one is the sensor itself. So change the sensor. I'm not advocating anybody's product over anybody else's. I bought one at AutoZone because they were the best prices and quickest availability for the express purpose of getting this car back on the road. You can get cheaper, you can get more expensive. I got a Duralast products. I am not endorsing the products in any way. Just that's my reason for doing what I'm doing. Okay. I've pre-staged some tools and some rags and a light. Not sure what the screw size is, but it's small, so probably 10 millimeter or 8 millimeter, somewhere in that area. I have sockets, and I have a crescent wrench in case the sockets work. So we'll get underneath here in just a second. I was able to loosen this screw. It is a Torx style screw head, but I was able to loosen with a small crescent wrench. I will find the correct socket to put that back on. I'm taking it out with my fingers. It wasn't extremely tight, so that was a good thing. And as you can see, the whole bottom of the cover is just covered with thread. Apparently there's some things leaking that I didn't know about. Okay, well, we'll go with it. Alright. It should come right out. It does. Looks like it's seen better days. How these guys work. On these, it's hard to tell what they do. Anyway, you gotta get the connector off. The keys. right there. You have to push down on that tab and it's hard to work. So, okay. Old one's out. Life in the fast lane, I guess. Maybe use a rag to wipe things off just a little bit. Some cleaner for the contacts. I will get that, spray it, and come back. I'm going to shut it off for a minute. No point in boring you guys with all those details. It's just contact cleaner. Readily available at your local auto parts store. I shall return. Well, I hope you can see this. I'm sure my hands are going to be in the way. The screw fits very nicely into, oops, a 1/4" drive, 1/4" hex socket. So the head of the screw fits very nicely into that. I'm going to put the sensor in, put the screw in, and then connect the wire. I got it all cleaned up, so we should be ready to go. Relocate a light here so we can see a little better. This job really isn't that bad. I could think it could have been a whole lot worse. Screw. Not lining up quite correctly, so I'm going to twist. Line it up where it needs to be. Screw started. Make sure this is seated. putting a whole lot of torque on this. So fingertip stuff. Swinging out now. That should be good. Okay. Well, I was a little puzzled by this connector. Usually, the orientation of the connector matters. But this connector will go on either way. The tabs are the same size, so it's not likely that it matters. There's no polarity issue or anything like that. Find out in a minute if that's true. And it clicked into place. Looks like about the way the wires were bent before, so I think we're good. Okay. We're done. The car's still up on a jack stand. Make sure it starts. But I'm going to let it down off the jack stand, off the jacks. Fingers crossed I don't have to put it back on. And I'm going to shut this off. Okay. Codes are clear, engine runs, we're done. Thanks.